Ready for war, Joe? How you wanna blow they spot? I know these dirty cops that'll get us in if we murder some wop. Hop in your Hummer, the Punisher's ready. Meet me and Beatles with noodles, with dudes do while he's slurping spaghetti. Everybody kiss the fucking floor till we crack fuck them all. If they move, noodles shoot that fucking whore. Dead in the middle of little did we know every riddle to middle didn't do diddly. It'll be a cold day and how the day I take it now. Make no mistake, for real, I wouldn't hesitate to kill. But from a fat one that you love to hate. Catch you at your mother's waist, smack you then I whack you with my stuff to yay. I rub your face off the earth and curse your family, children like Amityville and drill the nerve in your cavity filling. Insanity's building a pavilion in my civilian. It can't be the anarchy that humanity's filling. I'm villain without remorse, who's willing to out your boss forever and take all the cheddar like child support. I support running anything he does, anything he loves. A brother from another mother, sympathy above. A thug nigga just like me, one of the best might be. Even better, leaving niggas kneeling on their right knees. Spike Lee couldn't paint a better picture. You small change, you're blowing out your brains, getting richer. Hit you with the mask, smack your bitch, nigga, what? You getting stuck, my trigger fingers itchy as a fuck. Trump Jules, cruising in the land, pumping cash rules. Last crew to one, they caught 100 trying to pass through. That's true, so who the next to get it? TS the best that did it. Get it off your chest, get admitted, and it's yeah. And you don't stop. 20 shot clock with the cop killers from the to the top. Yeah, and you don't stop. Joey cracks the rock, and Big Pun keeps the guns cocked. Yeah, and you don't stop. We're making hot, nigga. What? Bring it up on your whole spot. Yeah, and you don't stop. It's still 187 on an undercover car. Fuck the police, I squeeze first, making meat dirt, taking feet first through the morgue, then launch them in the deep earth. The streets curse, the First Amendment's culturally biased. Supposed to supply us with rights, and not I hold my rosary tight as I can. I'm one man against the world, just me and my girl, Black Pearl, Athena, my Spina, but keeps it real, you know the deal. We steal from the rich and keep it, it's no secret. Watch me and Joe go back and forth from Free Creek with me. As I cruise in my Beamer, all the kids in the ghetto call me Don Cartagena, kicking ass as I blast off heat. And you never see me talk to police, so you should know that I really don't care. Pull you by the hair, slit your throat, and I'll leave you right there. So beware, it's red that niggas want beef. Big Pun speak and let these motherfuckers know how we run the streets. I run the streets deep with no compassion. Puerto Ricans known for slashing, catching niggas while they sleeping, no relaxing. Keep your eyes open, sharp reflexes. 3 Texas in the Jeep Lexus, just in case police test us. Dead in the middle of little did we know every riddle to middleman who didn't do diddly. It'll be a cold day and how the day I take it now. Make no mistake, for real, I wouldn't hesitate to kill. Until a fat one that you love to hate. Catch you at your mother's waist, smack you then I whack you with my stuff to yay. I rub your face off the earth and curse your family, children like Amityville and drill the nerves in your cavity filling. Insanity's building a pavilion in my civilian. It can't be the anarchy that humanity's filling. I'm feeling without remorse, who's willing to out your boss forever and take all the cheddar like child support. I support Pun in anything he does, anything he loves. A brother from another mother, sympathy above. A thug nigga just like me, one of the best might be. Even better, leaving niggas kneeling on their right knees. Spike Lee couldn't paint a better picture. You small change, you're blowing out your brains, getting richer. Hit you with the mask, smack your bitch, nigga, what? You getting stuck, my trigger fingers itchy as a fuck. Trump Jules, cruising in the land, pumping cash rules. Last crew to one, they caught 100 trying to pass through. That's true, so who the next to get it? TS the best that did it. Get it off your chest, get admitted, and it's yeah. And you don't stop. 20 shot clock with the cop killers from the to the top. Yeah, and you don't stop. Joey cracks the rock, and Big Pun keeps the guns cocked. Yeah, and you don't stop. We're making hot, nigga. What? Bring it up on your whole spot. Yeah, and you don't stop. It's still 187 on an undercover guy. Fuck the police, I squeeze first, making meat dirt, taking feet first through the morgue, then launch them in the deep earth. The streets curse, the First Amendment's culturally biased. Supposed to supply us with rights, and not I hold my rosary tight as I can. I'm one man against the world, just me and my girl, Black Pearl, Athena, my Spina, but keeps it real, you know the deal. We steal from the rich and keep it, it's no secret. Watch me and Joe go back and forth from Free Creek with me. As I cruise in my Beamer, all the kids in the ghetto call me Don Cartagena, kicking ass as I blast off heat. And you never see me talk to police, so you should know that I really don't care. Pull you by the hair, slit your throat, and I'll leave you right there. So beware, it's red that niggas want big. Big Pun speak and let these motherfuckers know how we run the streets. I'm in the streets deep with no compassion. Puerto Ricans known for slashing, catching niggas while they sleeping over.